And in Psycho Talk tonight, one of my favorites, we have more proof Liz Cheney just doesn't know what the heck she's talking about. On Fox News Sunday, Shooter Jr. had this to say about the way President Obama has handled the war in Afghanistan.
You know, what I'd like to see, because I do believe that setting the 2011 deadline did cause significant damage to the effort in terms of convincing people that were committed to be there to win, I'd like to see the president repudiate it. I'd like to see him say, just let's be clear, we are going to make our decisions based on conditions on the ground, not based on dates we set back here in Washington.
Liz, hello. I recommend that you get out of that Fox News bubble and actually listen to the president every now and then. If you did, you would know that President Obama and General Petraeus have both repeatedly said decisions in Afghanistan will be based on conditions on the ground.
Just as we have done in Iraq, we will execute this transition responsibly, taking into account conditions on the ground.
This is not a date when the United States races for the exits and turns off the light switch. It is a date at which a process begins that is based on conditions.
A responsible drawdown of the U.S. surge forces, with the pace of both the transition of tasks and the drawdown of forces to be based on conditions on the ground.
The pace of our troop reductions will be determined by conditions on the ground.
Well, of course, Liz is on the correct network when it comes to lying about President Obama. Chris Wallace didn't bother to mention that she was wrong. But I'm not going to let her get away with it. She was way off base. Attacking President Obama like this is seriously uninformed psycho talk.